Across China, milk begins its journey in landscapes as diverse as the animals that produce it.
Before the machines awaken, precision begins with preparation.
Clean surfaces protect every liter long before milk ever touches a pipe.
Healthy milk starts with healthy animals under constant observation. Order and calm keep the flow natural as the first milk of the day approaches. From dairy cows, the first stream enters a closed and carefully controlled system. Every contact point is cleaned with care before collection begins.
Fresh milk moves instantly from animal to chilled stainless steel.
Separate streams merge into a controlled current of raw dairy.
Seconds after milking, temperature control protects the milk's delicate quality. On colder plateaus, yak milk enters the chain with a richer body and deeper creaminess. Even in mountain cold, each step remains controlled, clean, and deliberate.
Yak milk flows slowly, dense with fat and highland character. Collected at altitude, it is sealed fast to preserve its richness. The process now turns to goat milk, prized for its clean and delicate profile.
Small animals demand an even finer rhythm of movement and handling.
At this scale, precision becomes almost surgical.
Goat milk moves quickly, fresh and clean through miniature lines.
What begins in delicate channels is measured instantly by modern sensors.
Cooling begins again, locking in freshness before the next species enters the story. In China's arid regions, camel milk brings a very different texture and resilience.
With larger bodies and slower temperaments, handling must remain calm and patient.
Every species requires its own tempo, but the standards never change. Camel milk enters the system with a distinct body and a measured flow. Traceability follows every drop from animal to finished package.
Now comes buffalo milk, famous for its weight, cream, and density.
For larger animals, strength in the equipment is matched by calm in the handler. Clean preparation remains the same, even as the milk itself grows richer. Buffalo milk enters the line with unmistakable richness. Separated by source, the milks travel cold toward one central processing heart. At the plant, every delivery is checked before it enters the main system.
A few milliliters can confirm the integrity of thousands more.
Here, composition is measured with scientific precision. Only approved milk moves forward into production. With quality confirmed, the factory finally lets the milk enter into its central veins. The first filtration removes what the eye should never see in the final product. Spinning at extreme speed, the clarifier refines the milk even further. Inside the separator, fat and fluid divide into new possibilities.
Fat content is adjusted with remarkable accuracy, recipe by recipe.
For one quiet moment, the milk settles into perfect consistency.
Pasteurization protects the milk while preserving its natural character.
Time and temperature meet in a carefully guarded balance. Just as carefully as it is heated, the milk is cooled again for stability. Pressure now reshapes the milk at a scale too small to see.
Fat globules break finer, creating a smoother and more stable body.
From one refined base, many dairy forms begin to separate.
Before filling, even the container must be purified.
Measured volumes fall with perfect repetition into sterile bottles. Sealed tight, the milk is protected from the world outside. Information, origin, and brand identity now wrap around the product. In another line, milk is prepared for fermentation and texture. A microscopic addition begins one of dairy's most elegant transformations. Inside the sealed tank, the milk slowly becomes yogurt. What was once fluid milk now holds a rich and silky structure. The cultured line now becomes a ready-to-eat product. For cheese, the fattest milks are guided into a more solid destiny. In silence, the vat changes from liquid to a delicate dairy gel. Each precise cut helps separate moisture from solid curd. The solids gather strength as the whey slips away. Under pressure, loose curd becomes a unified cheese. Elsewhere, cream is agitated until its fat begins to gather. Little by little, fat gathers into soft butter grains. The fragile grains become a smooth and unified butter. Now the butter takes on its final retail form. For powder, water must be removed with efficiency and care.
A liquid cloud becomes powder in the heat of moving air.
The dry solids are captured gently before they can lose their purity. Even powder is refined until every grain flows evenly. Measured and contained, the powder becomes shelf-stable nutrition. Freshness is sealed, dated, and prepared for the cold chain. The finished products are grouped for transport with machine precision. Cold storage holds the final products in perfect condition before distribution.
From the factory floor, the dairy now begins its final journey to consumers.
After thousands of controlled steps, the products arrive ready for everyday life.
From cow to yak, goat to camel, and buffalo to bottle, the journey ends in a single perfect pour.